Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about 10 foods you might have stopped eating while dieting and what you can eat instead. In our lab, we believe that being slightly overweight is not a bad thing. A little fat can help you survive longer during emergencies and protect you in accidents. But if you are excessively overweight, especially with a BMI over 30, it may affect your agility and ability to escape during disasters. So for those cases, here are 10 food swaps that can help you lose weight without feeling deprived. Number 1. Potato chips. They are high in fat, so many people stop eating them. Try rice crackers instead. Number 2. Instant ramen. It has high carbs and fat. Replace it with lighter ramen or noodle soups. 3. Ice cream. It's high in fat. Try sherbet or low-fat desserts. 4. Fatty meats. Swap them for lean red meat. 5. Sugar. Use natural sweeteners like Lakanto instead. 6. Cake. High in carbs and fat. Go for coffee jelly or low-fat pudding. 7. Beer. Too much sugar. Try highballs, which are lower in sugar. 8. Cup noodles. High in carbs and additives. Replace with vermicelli noodles. 9. Salad oil. Avoid highly processed oils. Use olive oil instead. 10. Juice. It's high in sugar. Choose diet or zero-calorie drinks. Now remember, this doesn't mean you should never eat the original foods. Just be mindful and limit how often you eat them. Small changes and patience will lead to better health results.